Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to block spam messages in Google Message. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Message app. Then after you open up your Google Message app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the top corner side. Click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on message settings. The next thing you need to do is then it's going to take you right there. Click on general. Then you have to simply scroll down right here. Scroll down and make sure you go to spam protection. Under spam protection, make sure you turn on this toggle button. With that, you have blocked spam messages and block and protect your phone from unwanted messages from any scammers or unknown number. That's simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Message app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you